Hi everybody, my name is Elna Rousseau. So a while ago I really felt the need that I want to do more. I want to invest more in people's lives and being able to help them to see their full potential. So a few months ago I enrolled for this course by Coach for Success, which was a journey. For me, it was a transformation journey, which I really had the opportunity to uncover layers of self-awareness of myself that I wasn't even aware of. I'm very grateful for this opportunity that I had to actually realize my potential. But this course really equipped me with tools that not only to understand myself, but also to be able to empower other people to realize their full potential. So this course also became a bridge between where I was and where I want to be. And now I've got the tools, and I feel comfortable enough to use what I know to support other people to realize their full potential and their opportunities for growth. But most importantly, it gives me a sense of purpose. So I just want to say thank you to Coach for Success. Thank you for guiding me through this journey. I can recommend this course to anybody. It was really a very great journey to be on, and I really feel comfortable using my tools within the company, but also in my own practice.